Good morning. Now that summer is almost over, I want to get back into routine, so I thought we could do a Sunday reset together. First, I'm gonna write down my grocery list, then we're gonna head to the grocery store, then we're gonna meal prep, and after that we're gonna clean the whole apartment. Lately I've been craving both sweet and savory for breakfast. So for breakfast, I thought we could make a Greek-style egg bake and raspberry chia pudding. And then for lunch, we're gonna make chicken and goat cheese salad jars. And this week, I'm not gonna prep a snack because I have filmed a lot of snack recipe videos this week. So I have a bunch of stuff in the freezer. And then for dinner, I had an idea to make a sheet pan version of my Korean beef bowl, since I know a lot of you like that recipe. So that's the plan for the meal prep. Now I'm just gonna finish writing down all the recipes and get the grocery list ready, and then we're gonna head to the grocery store. Now I'm gonna start prepping all the meals. I'm gonna start by making the chia pudding. So first, I'm just gonna mash all the raspberries. Next, I add chia seeds and high-protein Greek yogurt, which gives this chia pudding a creamy consistency. Then I add milk and maple syrup, and lastly, vanilla extract. Then I stir well and let it set for about 10 minutes so it's easier to scoop into glasses or jars. This chia pudding is so refreshing and yummy. It's high in protein, and the chia seed raspberry combo makes it also very high in fiber. I like to add some fresh berries on top. I'm using blueberries this time. Next, I'll make the egg bake. So I'm gonna crack 12 eggs into this bowl. Next, I add a pinch of salt and pepper. I pour the eggs into a baking dish lined with parchment paper and top them with chopped spinach, crumbled feta, kalamata olives, cherry tomatoes, and oregano. I bake the egg bake at 180 Celsius degrees, 350 in Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. This turned out really good, such an easy and fun breakfast idea. I reheat it before serving. For the lunch salad, I marinated chicken breasts, and now I cook them for about 4 minutes per side. Then I make the dressing of olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and salt. I'm prepping the salad into these big glass jars because it's the best way to keep meal prep salads fresh. As the dressing is at the bottom, the veggies on top won't get soggy. Next I add the chicken and crumbled firm goat cheese, grapes, cucumbers, arugula, and lastly pine nuts. I often get questions about for how many days I meal prep. I usually prep for 3 to 4 days so that the foods stay fresh in the fridge and I don't need to eat the exact same foods every single day of the week. I often do a smaller prep on Thursday for Thursday and Friday, but during weekends we usually cook whatever we feel like. For the sheet pan dinner, we chop lots of vegetables, and now I divide them on 2 baking pans lined with parchment paper. I'll add edamame beans later because they cook quicker. I also made a marinade for the vegetables and the beef, so next I mix half of the marinade with the vegetables. I bake the vegetables at 200 Celsius degrees, 390 in Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I toss the edamame in garlic infused olive oil and salt. Next, I mix the rest of the marinade with the beef strips. Then I remove the baking pans from the oven and add the beef strips and edamame on top. I roast them for about 6 to 8 minutes until the beef is just cooked through. I serve it with sesame seeds and chopped green onions. This turned out really tasty. And here are all the ready meals. Just had a lunch break, but now I'm going to start cleaning the apartment. The dishwasher is already on. Next, I'm going to take off the sheets from the bed and put them into the washing machine. Then I need to get back into the kitchen because I made quite a mess while meal prepping. This is how the kitchen looks like now. The dishwasher was full, so I need to hand wash all of these, and the baking pans are dirty even though I used parchment paper, so I need to wash these as well. So let's get to it. Now the apartment is all clean and I have the ready meals prepped in the fridge. This was a very productive Sunday. Not every Sunday looks like this. I feel like during summer, I didn't really have a good routine. So now I just want to get back on track because I feel like I'm the most productive when I have a good routine. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. I'll add the written recipes for the meals I made to the description box as always. If you're looking for more easy, healthy recipes, check out my ebooks. I'll add the link down below. I hope you tried the recipes. Enjoy!